Students, now in this session I will explain question number 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8 of exercise 2.5 chapter fractions and decimals. So in question number 4 there are altogether 3 questions. So I will explain only sum number 1 and 3. Sum number 2 would be your homework. So what is there in question number 4? We have to express each sum in terms of kg. Fine, it is given in grams or also in kg and grams, so we have to change the entire form to the kg form. Now let's see how to do sum number 1. So it is given 200 grams. Fine. So now we have to find the relation between the gram and kg. So we know that 1000 gram is equals to 1 kg, isn't it? 1000 gram equals to 1 kg. This is the relation between gram and kg. So if 1000 gram equals to 1 kg, so 1 gram would be what? 1 by 1000 kg, isn't it? So 200 gram would be what? Therefore 200 gram would be 1 upon 1000 into 200 grams, isn't it? Now we'll reduce these two zeros. Fine. So it will look like 2 by 10 kg. So we'll write kg here, not gram. Okay, kg. Now we'll convert this fractional form to the decimal form. So we have only one zero is there. So answer would be 2.0 kg. Okay. So this is the solution of sum number 1. So let's do sum number 3. So this is sum number 3, students. We have 4 kg, 8 gram. So what we have to express? We have to express the entire term in kg form. Now you carefully observe that the first term is already in the kg form, but the second term is in the gram form. So we'll do nothing with this as because it is already in kg form. But how to write this? This is we have to understand. So we'll write 4 kg plus 8 gram. This is how you have to write. If the question comes in this format, then the first thing what you have to do, you have to expand this form in this way. Okay. Now we'll not do anything with this as because it is already in the kg form. So 4 kg. Now we know that if any term which is in gram and we have to change it into the kg form, what we have to do? We have to divide that number by 1000. So we'll do the same thing here. So 8 upon 1000 and in place of gram now we'll write kg. Now the next thing is that we have to convert this fractional form to decimal form. So it will look like 4 kg plus 3 zeros are there, only one digit is there. So 8 0 0, then we'll put point and then another 0, that is kg. Now we'll add this to 4 plus 0.008, so it will look like 4.000 0.008. Okay, so this is how we'll add it. So 800.4, so your final answer would be 4.008 kg. Okay, students, so this is the solution of sum number 4, and remember what I said, sum number 2 of question number 4 would be your homework. Okay, so let's see what is there in question number 5. In question number 5 we have 4 questions. So out of 4, again I am doing sum number 1 and 3, and sum number 2 and sum number 4 would be your homework, students. Okay, so what is there in question number 5? In question number 5 we have write in expanded form. So we have to expand this number. For that we have to know the place values very properly. Okay, so we have discussed earlier that the numbers which are on the right hand side of the decimal, the first position is what? 10th, and the second position is what? 100th. And on the left hand side, the first position is unit, that is 10th, unit digit, and the second position from the left hand side of decimal is tens. So so 2 is in the tens position. So we'll multiply this 2 with 10 as because it is in tens position. Fine. 0, this 0 place value is what? Unit. That means we will multiply this 0 with 1. Now what is the first position? Just on the right hand side of the decimal, the first position on the right hand side of the decimal is 10th. 10th, that is TENTH. So the first digit would be divided by 10th as because it is the place value is 10th. So we are dividing this digit by 100. The second place value is what? 100th. That means we have to divide the digit with 100. Okay, understood? Let me just adjust the camera. Yes. So this is the final expanded form. So 2 into 100. Why? Because 2 was in tens position. 0 into 1. Why? Because this is in the unit position. Now why this 0 has been divided by 100? Because the place value of this 0 is 10th. And what about this 3? The place value of this 3 is 100. So that is the reason we have divided this 3 by 100. The same thing we'll do it here also. Okay. So what is the place value of this 2? Just to the right of left side to decimal, the place value of this would be what? Unit digit. So 2 into 1. Now this, the place value of 0 is what? 10th. So we'll divide this 0 by 10. What is the place value of this 3? 100th. So we'll divide it by 100. And what is the place value of 4? That is 10th, 100th. Yes, the place value of 4 is 1000. That means we'll divide 4 with 1000. Okay, it is very, very easy, students. So the rest of the 2 questions from question number 5 will be your homework. Okay, so let's proceed to sum number 6. This is question number 6, students. It is also very, very easy. So in question number 6, we have 5 questions. So I'm going to explain the first 3 and the last 2 again will be your homework. These are very, very easy, students. Okay, so write the place value of 2 in the following. So in each of the following, we have to just write the place value of only this digit, that is 2. So what is there in the question number 1? 2.56. So we have to say that what is the place value of 2. So what is the place value of 2? Just on the left hand side of the decimal, this position is called what? Ones. So the place value of 2 is what? Ones. So you write place value of 2 is ones. As simple as this. Fine. Now again, let's go to the second question. Now it is written 21.37. So what is the place value of 2? This 2, it is tens, isn't it? Right, left hand side to the decimal. First position is unit. Second position is what? Tens. So the place value of 2 is tens. This is how you have to write. Fine. Now let's go to the sum number 3. So now right hand side to the decimal. Right hand side to the decimal. And what is the first position to the right hand side of the decimal is what? 10th. Absolutely right. Now the place value of 2 would be, so the place value of 2 is 10th. You will write 10th. Right? So this is how you have to do the rest 2 sums of question number 6. Now let's move on to sum number 7. So this is question number 7. This is very interesting question, students. Now see, this is a path. Okay, this is a path, that is A to B to C. These are all the paths given. Now there are 2 characters mentioned in the question, that is Dinesh and another one is Ayub. Okay, so first I am going to read out what Dinesh is doing. So Dinesh went from place A. Suppose Dinesh is standing here, okay, at A, and now he is moving from A to B and then again from B to C. Fine. And there is another boy, Ayub. So he was also standing here only, but he moved in the other way. He moved from A to D and then D to C. Okay. So now you have to find out who traveled more and by how much. This is a very simple question but very interesting one. So let's see how far Dinesh has moved. Fine. So Dinesh traveled. Now Dinesh traveled from where to where? A to B, that is AB. Fine. A to B means what? AB, and then again B to C. So we have to add this distance, isn't it? What is the AB distance and what is the BC distance? So in that way we can understand what is the total distance traveled by Dinesh. Fine. So Dinesh traveled how much kilometer then? What is the length of AB? AB is 7.5 kilometer is given. Okay. And what is the distance from B to C? It is 12.7 kilometer. Now we have to add this number. Fine. We have to add this. This is very, very easy. So 7.5 plus 12.7 is 20.2 kilometer. 20.2 kilometer. So this is the total distance traveled by Dinesh. Now let's see how far Ayub has traveled. Ayub traveled Now Ayub traveled is equals to what? A to D, that is AD, and D to C, that is DC. Fine. So what is the distance of AD? It is given 9.3 kilometer. 9.3 kilometer. And what is DC? The distance from D to C is 11.8 kilometer. 11.8 kilometer. Now if we add this 9.3 plus 11.8, we'll see, we'll get the answer as 21.1 kilometer. Now we can easily say who has traveled more? Yes, Ayub traveled more distance. So we'll write this. Ayub traveled more distance. Fine. Now we have to also find the difference, that is by how much? By how much distance Ayub traveled more than Dinesh? For this we have to find the difference. So what we have to write? We have to find the difference, that is difference would be 21.1 minus 20.2. Now if I subtract, then I will get the answer as 0.9 kilometer. Okay, so how to conclude the solution? That Ayub traveled 0.9 kilometer more than Dinesh. Okay, so you will write, therefore Ayub traveled 0.9 kilometer more than Dinesh. Okay, so this is the solution of sum number 7. I hope it was very easy. Okay, so let's move on to sum number 8. Question number 8, we have again a problem sum, that is again two characters are given, Shama and Sarala. Fine. So in the first sentence what is said is Shama bought 5 kg 300 grams of apples and 3 kg 250 grams of mangoes. Okay, so what is the first sentence that we'll write is fruits bought by Shama. This is the first sentence statement we'll write. Fruits bought by Shama. That is what? How much kg of apples she bought? 5 kg 300 grams of apples and 3 kg, again 3 kg 250 grams of mangoes. Okay, so this is a total fruit bought by Shama. Now we have to add it and see what is the total fruit that Shama bought. Okay, so how to add this? So 5 kg 300 grams, then 3 kg with kg and 250 grams. Okay boys, so I am doing the addition in the fair part only. Okay, so what would be the sum? 0, 5, 5 grams. Now we'll put right in kg. 5 plus 3 is 8. So this is the total amount of fruits, okay, bought by Shama. That is 8 kg 550 grams. Now fruits, next part is fruits bought by, what is the name? Sarala, I guess. Okay, Sarala. So that would be what? 4 kg 800 grams of oranges. She bought oranges. So 4 kg 800 grams of oranges and 4 kg 150 grams of banana. So 4 kg 150, sorry, kg, it would be kg, 4 kg 150 grams of banana. So again we have to add this in the same way. So 4 kg 800 grams. So again 4 kg 150 grams. So we'll add it. Okay, so we'll add it. So it would be 059 kg, sorry, gram, and 8 plus 8 is what? Sorry, 4 plus 4 is 8. So what is the total gram bought by Sarala? Fruits bought by Sarala is 8 kg 950 grams. 8 kg, 950 grams. Now the final question they have asked, who bought more fruits? Who bought more fruits? 8 kg, 550 gram, and another value is what? 8 kg, 950 grams. So obviously, just by looking to the value, we can say that Sarala bought more fruits. So we'll write, therefore Sarala bought more fruits. That's it. Okay. So this is the solution of sum number 8, and that's it for today, boys. God bless you. Take care and stay blessed.